Garmin Forerunner 745 launched with up to 1 week battery life, built-in GPS, price, specifications. Garmin Forerunner 745 has launched in market after being unveiled in the US in September this year. The smartwatch comes in 4 color options and has silicone straps. The wearable claims to be an advanced GPS smartwatch built for runners and triathletes and is able to offer detailed training data and on-device workouts. It is said to come with up to 7 days of battery life and is compatible with Garmin Coach. The watch offers free training plans that adapt based to a runner's goals and performance. Garmin Forerunner 745 smartwatch price in India, sale. The new Garmin Forerunner 745 smartwatch is priced at 52,990 rupees in India. The wearable comes in 4 options: Whitestone, Magma Red, Neotropic, and Black. It will be available online on Amazon.in, PayMall, Tata Click, Flipkart, Myntra, and the Garmin Store.in. Users can also buy it offline via all Garmin brand stores: Lifestyle, Colazilla Sports, Wheels Sports, Mattermind Bicycle, Bums of the Saddle, Cyclofit, and Pro Bikers. Garmin Forerunner 745 smartwatch specifications, features. Coming to the technicalities, the Garmin Forerunner 745 has a 1.2-inch, 240 by 240 pixels, transflective display with Corning Gorilla Glass DX protection. The wearable is able to last for up to 7 days in smartwatch mode, up to 6 hours in GPS mode with music, up to 16 hours with GPS mode without music, and up to 21 hours in Ultra Track mode. It has 5 ATM or 50 meters water resistance, meaning it can be used while swimming. The wearable is able to offer continuous heart rate monitoring, daily resting heart rate, respiration rate, body battery energy monitor, all-day stress tracking, and advanced sleep monitoring. The Garmin Forerunner 745 also offers a breathing guide, alerts for hydration, and a menstrual cycle monitor. Sensors on board include GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, Garmin Elevate wrist heart rate monitor, barometric altimeter, compass, gyroscope, accelerometer, thermometer, and a pulse ox blood oxygen saturation monitor. Connectivity options include Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, ANT+, and the wearable pairs with phones using the iConnect IQ app. The Garmin Forerunner 745 offers smart notifications, text response/reject phone call with text, calendar, weather, smartphone music controls, music storage of up to 500 songs, Find My Phone and Find My Watch feature, Vibe Remote, and the ability to pair with Garmin Connect Mobile. In terms of dimensions, the Garmin Forerunner 745 measures 43.8 by 43.8 by 13.3 mm and weighs 47 grams. The Forerunner 745 also features advanced dynamics to help with cycling and swim training. For instance, while on a bike, it will track data such as left/right balance, time seated and standing, platform center offset, and power phase. During a swim, the Forerunner 745 will track distance, stroke, pace, personal records, and more. Garmin users can train for a 5K, 10K or half marathon with the help of guidance from 3 running coaches, Jeff Galloway, Greg McMillan and Amy Parkerson Mitchell. Apart from storing music on the watch also lets users sync playlists from select preloaded music streaming services such as Spotify, Amazon Music. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.